Hello guys, I'm getting ready to go to, what am I going to? Table Bay Mall to go look for a gift for Ubutsi Onsha. Can't wait for Saturday. Saturday is the day guys, we're doing the countdown. Countdown has started. This one I got from, was it Epicus? Or, what shop was that? Jet. Yes, I got this from Jet. It was a special, you buy two and get one free. So I got these for my mother, and then the free one I just decided to take. It smells nice. Well, it smells okay, not really. And this is my bag. I'm not carrying any bag. I'm just carrying my wallet. And just going to put lotion on my hands. And then I'm ready to go. My husband is outside, he's waiting for me. He'll probably freak out anytime soon now. Let's get going. So guys, the countdown has started to umgidi. That's my husband. Let me go. He's gonna shout at me. Bye. Hi guys, we're here at the mall. I didn't find what I was looking for. Also at home, I didn't find what I was looking for. And also now we're going to grab something to eat and then we're gonna go back home. I came here basically for nothing because I did not find anything. What a sad day. What a sad day it is. But I'm glad that I came because I got out of the house. So that's nice. Just want to show you guys what I got to eat. Smoothie. I haven't had a smoothie in a long time. Very long time. And I have these pies. You know those mini chicken pies? I had like 2 packs basically. The one had 5 mini chicken pies and the other one had 2 beef puffs, 1 cheese puff, 2 chicken puffs, and an orange juice. This is what I was talking about, like orange juice, you know, when it's proper orange juice, the taste it tells you. So that's all I got guys. I literally just got something to eat afterwards and came back empty-handed because to find what I was looking for. That's it. And what else? Oh, we also went to, where did we go to? I don't remember. But yes, Hubby got 2 pants. Those cargo pants. Got 2 of those. And yeah, that's all we got. Well, this is hubby's. He shared it with me. Shared it. Sharing is caring, okay? What is his is mine, and what's mine is mine. Oh, the way he looked at me. I actually wanted to get mac and cheese at Woolies, but Sana, 95 rand for lunch. I was like, no ways. Oh, hey. My husband just dropped that off. Guys, I just got back from the place. finished my nails. Now we're going to start to look for a toothbrush that my sister forgot at home. So now she doesn't have a toothbrush. We're going to start. After start, we're going to. No, we're not going home. We're going to look for the Google. Anyway, guys, so we're actually going to
Tell them I hate walking around. Oh,
get a few things. I'll show you when I get home. Guys, I'm at this camp. We decided to come to this camp just to look for some pain pills. Yeah. So, and then we'll go to that other place to look for something. I really need to get this gift so that, you know, I get it out of the way. I just need to do this. Huh? What's not that up? Yeah.
2-in-1.
So that's what
Family pack.
So that puts in into
I don't know, in case it's better to try to brush.
lunch. Totally. You 135.
Nope. No, but then I was I hope I don't stop here.
Oh, this is so cute. Cotton ribbon. These look super cute, guys. The entire one. It's not battery operated, no? It's a cute man. 106. Hey.
Very important in case if you want to celebrate to brush.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5.
Oh my goodness,
Stop.
it's cold.
3,
3, but I feel like what if we learn this only? People working as a soft.
It's fine. Tata is, yeah. Tata is.
It's fine, it is.
Yeah. Yes, but it's in the color is spares. Okay. I want to try these, guys. Apparently this range is very good. I want to try it. But like, oh, so much on the price. It's serum. Sunscreen. Wow, sunscreen tonight. These are so expensive. But that's Ryan and my skin needs it. Hey guys, I'm back from doing my nails. Now check that. I'm back from doing my nails. I got myself something to eat, it's not a light snack though. It's a lot, but I'm gonna have it with my sister. So I've been craving sushi for a very long time. So I decided, how about today? Today is the perfect day to eat sushi. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have sushi, and then after that, I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably work or something. But I need to close this day off, and say we are done. Anyway, thanks guys. I will probably see you maybe tomorrow. Yes, definitely tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, right? Yes, I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to my in-laws. So the ones are utwala, traditional beer, right? That's what it's called in English. Yes, the ones utwala. And then I'll obviously you will see it. You will see it. Anyway, thanks guys. Let me go and enjoy my sushi. And I don't know, I'll probably have it with my homemade iced tea. Guys, go watch my video, okay? The shorts. Is it a shorts? I don't know, I don't remember. But like, I made a video, a homemade iced tea video. So please go watch it. Very easy and nice and refreshing for the summer, guys. For the girls who don't drink fizzy drinks anymore, okay? So go watch it and tell me what you think. It's very nice. Anyway, let me stop talking about iced tea. I don't know how we got there. Anyway, so let me enjoy my sushi with my sister. Bye, guys. And I got this. This is like it's a bracelet, né? It's not the ankle from the bracelet, but I'm going to use one of them for my ankle. I'm going to stack this with my watch, together with my watch from Saturday. But these are Mr. Purr. then I got these earrings as well. Got these earrings, so I think I'll wear these ones on Saturday with maybe this one. With this one. Maybe on this matches with this one and these earrings. And then my watch and have that one. Maybe I'll add another plain one or like one with these thingies. Just to make it cute, man. I'll see how it looks. We'll see. And then definitely it's gonna be these earrings. Because my watch has like little diamond keys. And diamond keys. You guys get it. Key is like never mind. And then my sister got this at Mr. Purr. She got this. Oh, on Saturday. You guys will see our outfits and everything on Saturday. We'll wear this on Saturday with umbaco white. And then I got this boracic powder. I got this thing because, guys, I saw some visitors, some unwanted guests, uninvited guests here. So this is what I'm going to use for them. You go figure out what this is for. I'm not telling you guys. It's embarrassing. And then my sister got this for herself. She got this. Ooh, double Van Cleef. She got a Van Cleef, baby. She got a double Van Cleef on my Saturday. Anywho, this is my sister's. I actually didn't notice Van Cleef more that. I'm only seeing a Van Cleef now. Yes.
Not very
I saw this also, guys. We are part of the inside of Van Cleef. Mr. Price is there for us. For us girls who can't afford to Van Cleef. I can't afford it, guys. So what I like. And my sister got this. She wants to clean her stomach. So, yeah, cleansing. Use it colon cleansing. What do they mean? So she's gonna use this. I'll probably use it now, or I don't know. My husband will feel so offended if we don't use it. Crystal's like, but my husband gives. I'll show you guys the crystals how they look like. She will give you one. That thing is this small, tiny. I don't even know how small. Like I can't even show you guys how small that thing is. And I think that's it. That's all we got. We still again, as if we went to Blackie and they were like, no, they don't sell to customers. You have to get it from someone inside. Or or when they have specials or some they said something in those lines. So see it for nothing. So now we're back. That's all I got, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I got today. That's all I got. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm done for real, King. For real, guys. But the last time I said I'm closing this off, guys. Bye. I'm really closing this off. I'm saying goodbye to this day. Next time you see me, I'll be in something different. It's a one, but it's a different day, you know. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Love ya. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. It's another day. I'm getting ready to go to another mall. This is probably like the third or the fourth mall I'm going to. I need to get this gift before Thursday. I don't want to do things on the last minute. So I'm going to make it my mission to get this gift today. And then after that, I'm going to go to my in-laws because it was a Wednesday week. But I need to go. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still alive, okay? I'm still alive. No, you missed me, but I'm back, okay? I'm here. Anyway, so I'm getting ready. Well, I'm done, really. I'm not getting ready. I am done. I'm just moisturizing my lips.
Clock it, Jessica.
Clock it, Jessica. Clock it, Jessica. We're about to actually leave, my sister and I. Partner in crime. Anyway, so guys, I also wanted to show you guys this has arrived. My pretty, isn't this pretty? Oh, this packaging is so cute, guys. Guess what's in here? Guess what's in here? If you guess right, you're getting this. I'm joking. I need this. I can't give you this. Anyway, these are lashes, guys. These are lashes, but I'm going to is it unbox, unwrap, whatever you call it, when I get back, because we need to go and we don't have time because a lot of things need to happen today. And I'm still working tonight, so it's like I have to go to the mall, come back, have to go to my in-laws. No, I have to go to the mall, come back, work, go to my in-laws, come back, nap. I don't even think I'm going to get time to nap, and then get ready for work. And then after that, just repeat, you know? So I'm glad I actually did my nails yesterday. Anyway, I'll show you guys my dress, my pretty dress. It's a pretty dress. I'll show you guys when I'm outside, when there's like a nice natural sunlight, because this house is so dark. It's like a haunted house. Jokes, okay? Can't you guys take jokes? I'm just joking. Light it up, you know? It's December. Be happy. Anyway, guys, so let me just stop fooling around. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, perfume. Every day is the same perfume, so what's the point? Like, I was gonna show you guys my perfume of the day. It's the same perfume every single day, so really, what's the point? But I might just show you guys. I don't know, we'll see. Bye. Let me just quickly finish up. I'm just finishing up, then we're gonna leave. My sister's waiting for me. Yes, I love this body mist, guys. Love it. I'm going to follow up with this girl. I always feel like I should layer when it comes to this thing, because I don't know if the scent doesn't last or what it is. I'm not feeling it, but sometimes people can, like, you know, smell it, but me, I don't smell it. I don't know. And then we're putting on this baby. Remember from that from the set that I got at Mr. Price? I'm gonna put on this one. I'm not wearing my watch today. I don't know, because I don't know where it is, man. No, I don't feel like Kukangela. So I'm just gonna put this on, because I'm only putting this on because it's Fuchan, to be honest with you. And guys, Lando, like, who has the wrists that are this big? Like, hey, like the same. And the others like Faranjani, I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to see how it looks when I have it on. So I think I'm gonna take this bag. If I had pockets, I wasn't gonna take a bag because my wallet is this small. I wasn't gonna take a bag. But because I don't have pockets, I'm going to take this sling bag thing. I'm putting this thing on because since I was on I'm struggling. My wallet. This thing is too big to put in here because I still have to put in my phone. So I'm going to take this one. And I put this one in. Glass. We never leave glass behind, okay? And then my phone will go in here. I don't know what this is. Don't ask me. I don't know. We are ready to go. I'm going to sling it instead of handbag it. I'm going to sling it today because I don't feel like yeah, guys, so let's go, and then if I find something, I'll show you guys. If I don't find anything, there's nothing to show. So okay, I don't know, I'll see. Hopefully I found something. There was a special that I saw at home, but then it was okay. So we're gonna go to Home Choice and see what nice stuff they have pie, and then take it from there. So yeah, we're out. See you guys. Bye. It's a whole set. Can you see? It's a whole set. I got myself this, and I watched the tutorials and everything on how to, the application process and stuff. So I'm confident that I can do this. If I don't find anyone to do them for me, I'm definitely going to do it myself. So I say, okay, it's a whole set. I think maybe I did with colors. My husband will kill me. Okay, no, I'm joking, babe. Yeah, don't worry. So we have the lashes, gorgeous, aren't they? Oh my word, guys, these are beautiful. It's the Venus ones. It's the popular ones. I bought the popular ones because when I went on the website, they say which is the most popular one and all of that. So I saw it's Venus, and I can't love tattoo Venus. And the length is like the medium long. There's the short, medium, and then medium long length. So the tattoo medium long length. And then I think we glue. And this is the glue, the seal. It's called the seal. Lock lashes in place. It locks lashes in place all day wear. Oh my word. Clear bond. Waterproof. Long lasting. 5 mil. And this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. And then we have the lash remover. Oh, nice. For do-it-yourself cluster lashes. The remover. Nice. And then this is the, and I'm gonna, not the tongue, I'm gonna, oh no, also yes, that thing. And then a spoolie. Oh, the spoolie is so cute. Look at the spoolie, guys. I say cutie. Super cute pink. Ah, it goes well with my nails. Pink girlies are up. Pink girlies are up. Look at the pink dress and the pink spoolie and the pink nails, stretchy pink lips. And also I have a pink body mist and a pink back scratcher. Back scratcher. We actually shopped because London we ordered on Sunday. I ordered this thing on Sunday. Tuesday. I actually ordered this thing on Sunday night. I ordered this thing, and I was so worried, thinking, yo, what if you forget Saturday? I mean next Monday. But they did say if you choose the courier guy, then obviously it's going to be between 2 to 3 days. It should 1 to 3 days. The courier guy. So I chose the courier guy option. But if you choose the free option, I think it said 3 to 5 days or 3 to 7 days, one of the two. But I chose the courier guy because I wanted to be on the safe side. I'm eating a pie, a cheese griller. Guys, I'm so tired. I don't have energy or anything. Like, I can't even think straight. Let me just show you guys what I got. So, I don't know. I just got these, what are called? Stuffed rolls. Hamburger rolls. Sorry, thought it's called stuffed rolls. It's hamburger rolls. Got this. I don't really get much because I wasn't going there for groceries. So, in a shop and then you start seeing things that you need all of a sudden. That's what happened today. These are, what are these puffs? Beef and cheese puffs. And I was craving these cheese rolls for some reason. I was craving them, so I got them. Got 2 of them. I got myself this orange juicy, and my sister got herself cranberry. And we got chicken from Woolworths. Guys, I love this chicken. This is the best chicken ever. None of the chicken from Woolworths, guys. I got this. This is for supper because I'm not gonna, because maybe the 7 and Goku, and then after that I'm a snap because later tonight they're 7s, so I won't have time to cook it at mine. Not that I won't have time to mine. That's all we got from food, in terms of food. And then I just decided to get some stuff for my husband because he's been complaining about bananas. So I decided to take these jeans. I took them. Hopefully, I think they're gonna fit him. You guys know what happened? We went to, I don't remember, maybe that shop they said, what is it? Factory? I don't know, but like it's one of those shops. And then he got like those cargo pants, last cargo pants. And when we got there, he's like, "Akazulikanis." I'm like, dude, come on, just fit the stuff on. He's like, no, I don't have to. And I'm like, okay, fine, take your size then. He's like, no, look, this 34 is so big. Hi, baby, I can't take this. And then he keeps showing me, "Jonga, yabona ithanga lingakanani? Look at this compared to this jonga ithanga lam." And I'm like, so you'd rather take a smaller size than take your normal size when you're not even going to fit the thing on? He's like, no, babe, there's no need, there's no need to fit them on. I was like, okay, say no more. We got home, small, zingling. Now he must take that back because he doesn't listen. So I took a 34, which is his normal size. And I know this thing is going to fit him. But he's going to look at it and be like, yo, baby, he's going to say that. And I got this t-shirt. I wanted the cream khaki one. But then there was no size. There were no mediums at all. So I decided, you know what, to break the cycle because he always wearing like is it army or olive green? Olive green. He's always wearing like olive green or khaki or cream. Those are his colors. Always wearing those colors. It's the same, but it's just a different color. Yes, it's the same and the price is the same. Now we are fun. It's the same thing. Same. And then we got this. I wanted the white one, guys. I wanted the white one. I was like, oh, but there's never a medium. I think, yeah, that's it, guys. That's all I got. And what else did we get? That's all, ne? Oh, and then we got the gift. We got the blanket. It's like a 7-piece. It's a 7-piece. It's a comforter with standard pillowcases, continental pillowcases. There's a hot water bottle. And then there's like a fitted sheet. So it's like a 7-piece that we got. It looks very nice, guys. I love it. My day is done. There's nothing else for me to do today, guys. I'll be lying if I'm going to say, oh, I'm going to show you guys this. I'm going to show you. No. And I'm not going to my in-laws anymore. I was there now, and then there's no one. So this is where I'm going. So and not today. So I'll go tomorrow. Guys, I'm done. I got all my everything, nails, hair. Well, hair and color, so what's the point? But like nails sorted, hair sorted, lashes sorted, impahla sorted. Guys, but it's sorted now. They're on their way. No, they sorted. Jewelry, simbi, and all of that. I only got one simbi though, so I don't know. I'm gonna ask my sisters to bring stuff. If bazoza, then I'm gonna ask them to bring like then and just see, you know, what we can take. I think tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and then yes, I'm sure then sesithathe laa ngubo inkulu yethu nale i-1 smalanyana one, and then siyozihlambisa, take them to the laundry. That's it, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know ukuba I'm back home and I'm saying goodbye. I will see you probably tomorrow. Not probably, I will see you tomorrow. And yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Never mind. So it's going to take long if I have to think about it. Let me not think about it. Let me just say I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Ha.